I noticed that there were a couple of people who checked the water coming out of the Swartrivier dam. Thanks for all the viewers for checking that. Now, what numerous people had done while I went up the mountain to go and check there was to come and see Pepsi, because of course all that water that was going down through the dam there and being released from the dam was coming down to Pepsi pools. So the fact that the main dam further down, the Garden Route Dam, is still overflowing tells me that there will still be quite a bit of water. We were just going to do a bit of an exercise walk, and Corin and myself decided to change the route and come and check Pepsi, since we normally do some piece of work on Fridays, and if we don't do it on Fridays, we do it on Saturday mornings. Nothing was on for today, so I thought, oh well, let's come go for a longer route around the dam. It's a longer option versus through the forest that leads to Pepsi pools. And if the dam is still overflowing, there's bound to be some water still, quite a bit of water, more than the average that you normally see there. We'll see now. Definitely more water than I've seen in previous times here. Well, I have seen more water than this before, but it's been a long time since I've seen this amount of water busy coming down. So all of this is still coming out of that old dam. This would have been spectacular about a week or so ago. Very spectacular. Reached the starting point again, with the dam running over here, the main dam, Garden Route Dam. Everyone calls it the George Dam, but this is the Garden Route Dam. There are 3 dams. So, mission accomplished. Went to Pepsi. More water than what one normally sees there. Better than nothing, because I was close to doing absolutely nothing today, and Corin inspired me to do something. So instead of doing our normal exercise on some piece of work, we decided to come to the Garden Route Dam. Thanks for joining. See what else I put on YouTube next time, and see you at some stage. Bye.